Hi guys, it's your girl Oz again. O to the Z to the, it's O to the Z to the. And today I want to do something really cool. Freckles. If you've seen like in beauty magazines, a lot of influencers on the runway and everything, freckles are in. And I've always been jealous of people that have freckles. I think freckles are beautiful. And so today I wanted to create a look that embraced the beauty of freckles. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. And make sure that you subscribe so you can catch all of the videos. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do today is my foundation, but it's gonna be a little different than what I've done before. I saw this recently with Scott Barnes, that's J-Lo's makeup artist, and he actually does like his highlighting and contouring reverse than what I've normally done. So we're gonna try it today, okay? So first, our Sally Blur. Ooh. Beauty. I always think it's cool when beauty influencers like drop stuff on their face. It smells so amazing. It's just a really great blurring primer. It makes your skin feel like satin smooth. So today, I'm gonna use my Clean Slay disposable hand palettes. I think these are super, super, super cool, and they're really good for makeup artists. I like opening it. It's just this little thing. Break this seal open. Voila. Place on hand like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with my concealer. And we're back. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to really blend this, just blend this all out a little bit so you can't see. Actually, I think I'm gonna use my hand. You know, sometimes your hands are much better. You forget about using our hands, the tools that God gave us. I know I look crazy right now. Trust the process. Okay, and then I'm just gonna apply my foundation over all of this. What I've noticed is that it gives this highlight and contour a much more like subtle, kind of like pressed in the skin appearance instead of these harsh contours that we've been seeing more of lately. Don't get it twisted. I mean, I have definitely been a girl to contour nose real hard, so talking about myself as well. That's why I wanted to do this method, because I thought it was like really cool and probably works really well. I think that's not bad at all. And the forehead needs a little more work, but we're working with something. We're working with something. Okay, so today I'm doing like a monochromatic nude look, and we're gonna use the Morphe palette or Morphe palette or whatever you call it. This is the 35B palette. And of course, I'm gonna use Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer on my eyelids because it's my favorite primer. You guys already know that. I'm just gonna press it on to my lid. Okay, the next color I'm gonna use and this is the Morphe M506 brush. It's like a small, it's a really smaller dome fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend that. And that crease even more. Next, I'm just gonna use some concealer to really carve out my lid to make a good, nice cut crease. So now I'm gonna go back in with the first color that I put in my crease. And I'm just gonna press it onto my lid. Okay, so last, I'm going to use this color to really just smoke out the outer corner of my eye, connect that, and blend that over. And then we blend it out, blend it out. Blend, bitch, blend. Now that my eyes are done, just going to set my face with a little bit of powder. I have very dry, no, not dry skin. I have oily skin. Whatever. I don't even know what I have right now. But I have oily skin. And I know some people don't believe in powder, but I do. I think that powder really just helps set the foundation in place. I definitely need to contour. So this is my favorite part, contouring. Contouring is my favorite part. You want to know why? Because the way this round face is set up. The way this face is set up, honey, I need to get a cheekbone. By all means necessary. I have a little forehead, so I don't really like to contour the top of my forehead too much. Just the sides. I try to elongate it as much as possible. My forehead is small. Okay, so now is the fun part, the part everybody's been waiting for, the freckles. I've always been jealous of people that have freckles. I know some people that have freckles that don't like them, but I do. So I'm actually gonna use the Morphe M217. It's like an angled liner brush. And I'm just using the same dark concealer that I contoured with, actually. You can use any dark concealer or dark foundation to do this trick. I'm just dabbing it in. I'm just gonna literally just dab it. All over my face. No certain pattern. Just keep dabbing freckles until you feel like you have as many freckles as you want.